she's a twisted trickster. Everybody wants to be the sisters, Mr. Coca-Cola roller coaster. Love her even though I'm not supposed to. Funky little monkey, she's a twisted trickster. Everybody wants to be the...
Welcome to Tropical Boots. We're going to be learning a line dance today called Funky Little Monkey. The song is She Keeps Me Up by Nickelback and the choreographer is Travis Taylor. It is a 64 count 2-wall intermediate line dance. Let's get into it. Facing your front wall, your first section of 8 is going to be pointing your right to the side, left to the side, step that right forward, twist the heels forward back into a back lock and coaster step. Majority of this is syncopated. So from here, weight is on our left, you're going to point the right to the side, bring it together, point the left to the side, bring it together, step that right foot forward, you're going to twist your heels forward and then back. From here, you're going to do a quick back lock on the right, so you're going to go back, lock, back, into a left coaster step, back together, forward. Let's just do that section again once more with a count, 7, and we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From here, you're going to be doing a ball change forward with a rock recover into a 1 1/4 turn shuffle. Sorry, nearly said half, but it's a 1 1/4 into a vaudeville, so a cross and heel. So what that looks like is skipping that right foot, so bringing that right foot together, skipping that left foot forward into a rock. So you're going to go together, rock, recover. Now you can substitute this turn for a 1/4 turn side shuffle, but the sheet does say that it is a 1 1/4 turn. So it is a shuffle with a left foot, so it's going to be a 1 1/4 or a 1/4 turn side shuffle. From here, you're going to be moving into a vaudeville, so you're going to be going a cross and heel with that right foot. So you're going to go across, side, heel, and then bring that right together for a cross shuffle with the left over the right and a cross shuffle. What that count looks like, facing the front, weight was on our left, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From here, our next 8 counts, we're going to be hopping our feet out right, left, flick the right up behind and step it out to the side, twisting our heels, traveling to the right side while we turn a 1/4 turn to our left, into a coaster step, and then a step, scuff, moving forward. Again, the majority of this is syncopated, so let's break the steps down first. Hopping out, right, left, then flick the right up behind, step the right to the side. Now we're going to be twisting our heels, heels, toes, heels, and then we're going to turn a 1/4 turn to our left at the end. So we're going to go heels, toes, heels. So you should be facing your 6 o'clock wall. From here, coaster step with that left, back together, forward, scuff the right, step forward on the right, scuff the left, step forward on the left, and then scuff the right. Let's put the counts together for that one. So you've come out of your cross shuffle, your weight is on your left across your right, hopping forward with that out, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. From here, you should be facing your back wall, weight is on your left, you've just scuffed your right. The next section here is rocking forward, doing a rock recover on your right, turning a 1 1/2 turn shuffle with your right shuffle, into a 1/4 side rock, and then a behind side cross. What that looks like is rocking forward to that right, so step that right forward, recover the weight back onto the left. Now, if you're not going to do the full turn, it is a half shuffle. Otherwise, it is a 1 1/2 turn shuffle, traveling back over the right turn, turning over your right shoulder, so it goes 1 1/2. From here, you're going to be stepping onto the left, turning a 1/4 turn to your right into a side rock, recover the weight onto the right, and then step behind side cross with that left going behind, the right to the side, and the left going across. Again, some of that is syncopated, so let's put the count together for that. You've come out of that last scuff, weight is on your left, 7, and we go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so this next section, again, I'm going to attempt my best to explain this one. Travis may have his own tutorial, which may be best to explain it, but I'm going to do my best to do this one. So you're going to be stepping forward on the right, you're going to be stepping forward on the left, you're going to recover that weight back onto the right, and then you're going to be stepping the left behind, step the right to the side, step the left across, so you end up facing your new angle, which is your right quarter angle at the back wall. From here, you're going to be repeating that again. You step forward on the right, rock, recover with that left, so step the left forward, recover the weight back, step behind, side, and across. So the count to that is going to look something like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Feel free to go back and replay those sections as many times as you need. I know it took me a little while to be able to catch that count, and sometimes I still have to count those steps out to make sure that I can get them in the song. So feel free to go back and replay that section as many times as you need. From here, the next part here is another side rock behind side cross, a side rock behind side cross again. So that's right, rock to the side, recover, step the right behind, side, and then cross. Same with the left, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Again, you're going to be turning that quarter, that little angle, so that 8th turn, so you end up facing your front corner, or front left corner. You're going to repeat that She Keeps Me Up section once more. So I'm going to break it down once more, simply because we are facing a front, so it may be a bit easier for people to get that through a video tutorial. So what that next section looks like is stepping forward to the right, step forward with the left, recover the weight back onto the right, step that left back, step the right to the side, stepping that left across, and as you've done all of that, you would have turned to face your right front corner. You're going to repeat those steps again. You're going to step forward with the right, step forward with the left, recover the weight back onto the right, step back with that left, step the right to the side, step the left across the right. Now, feel free to go back and repeat that little section of video as many times as you need to be able to get it. We're now going to do that with a count. So, facing your front left corner, you're going to be stepping forward with that right. 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Hopefully that helped out. From here, you're going to finish the dance off by doing a right side rock behind side cross, a left side rock, touch behind, and a 3/4 unwind, then up facing your rear wall. So it's a right side rock, and then behind side cross, left side rock, touch the left behind, unwind a 3/4 turn over your left to face the back wall, ready to start the dance again, facing the back with a point and step and twist. So this dance has one step change restart, which is on wall 5, and you do up to count 46, which means you've completed one section of the She Keeps Me Up part, and then you're going to step change. Instead of doing another side rock behind side cross, you're going to do a side rock sailor quarter turn. So why don't we walk that through? Wall 5 is actually facing your front, so let's get into it and go up to count 46. So right through with a call, weight is on our left, 7, and we go point and step and twist. Back lock back, coasters step together, rock, recover, 1 1/4, cross and heel and a cross shuffle. Out, flick, stomp, twist and quarter, coaster, step, scuff, scuff, rock, recover, 1 1/2, quarter side rock, behind side cross, walk right, left, back behind side cross, right, left, back behind side cross, side rock, behind side cross, hold it here, so we're nearly up to the restart step change. From here, you would normally side rock behind side cross again. Instead, what you're gonna do is side rock and sailor quarter turn to face your back wall. So you're gonna side, rock, and then behind quarter forward. You're now ready to restart your dance facing your rear wall. I hope you enjoy this dance as much as I enjoy doing it. And again, as always, I'll see you in that next video.